let's make my mom's special recipe, sweet potato cutlets. So let's begin by taking the sweet potatoes, boil, peel, mash it and keep it aside. Next, heat oil in a pan, add chopped ginger garlic, saute for around 2 minutes. Then add onions, green chillies, chopped curry leaves, salt and mix till the onions get cooked. To this add turmeric, red chilli, pepper and garam masala and mix it well with the onion. Into this mixture add a handful of coriander leaves. Mix again, then add the kept aside mashed sweet potatoes. Combine it well with the mixture. Once it's mixed thoroughly, switch off the flame, add some corn flour, mix it again and let it cool. Once it's cool, grease your hands with oil, take a portion of this mixture, roll it into a shape that you want, then dip it in egg, coat it with breadcrumbs and fry it in oil for around 5 minutes on either sides till a golden brown texture and you have your sweet and yet so spicy sweet potato cutlets. So do give this recipe a try.